Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking a recipe that's inspired by Bajan cuisine. I'm cooking a roasted chicken breast with a crushed garlic and chive sweet potato and a creamy rosemary and thyme sauce. This is one really delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to begin by preparing my crushed garlic and chive sweet potato. For this I'm using 2 parts sweet potato to 1 part white potato. And the reason for adding in the white potato is to mellow up the sweet potato. They both really complement each other taste wise, and it's going to improve the texture of the mash. I'm just now cutting the potato into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to transfer them to a pot of boiling water in which I've added a teaspoon of sea salt, and these will need to be cooked for at least 25 minutes until they are soft. Whilst the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to start by preparing my chicken breast. As you can see now, I'm going to lightly cover the chicken breast in a mixture of flour, salt, pepper and all-purpose seasoning. I'm doing this so when I pan sear the chicken, it will have a nice brown crust on the edges. After preparing the chicken, I'm now moving on to making the rosemary and thyme sauce. I'm using my homemade garlic butter, 150 ml of double cream, a bunch of thyme, half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt and a tablespoon of dried rosemary. I'm also using 150 ml of chicken stock and 75 ml of white wine. Now to prepare the sauce, first I'm going to add in my white wine. You want to bring this to a boil so it can start to reduce on a medium temperature. Then I'm adding in my chicken stock and all of my seasonings, the rosemary, black pepper, salt and the bunch of thyme. You want to make sure that you're continuously stirring the sauce whilst you add in these seasonings. After this is cooked for 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my double cream, and I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of the homemade garlic butter. It's very easy to make your own garlic butter. All you need to do is get a clove of garlic and roast it in the oven for 10 minutes on 200 degrees and then combine it with some salted butter. After that, you want to turn the heat down to low and let it simmer lightly until your dish is ready to serve. Now I'm going to move on to cooking my chicken breast. I've melted 2 tablespoons of salted butter in my pan on a medium-high heat, and I'm now adding in my chicken breast. You're not aiming to fully cook the chicken breast in the pan, you're just trying to get a nice brown crust on the edges of the chicken, as you can see. After that, I'm going to transfer the chicken to an oven dish and cover it with foil to retain the moisture in the chicken. Then I'm going to place it in the oven and cook on 200 degrees for 15 minutes. By now your potatoes should have finished cooking. I'm going to chop up some chives to add into the potato for extra flavour and add 2 tablespoons of the homemade garlic butter. I'm now going to mash the potatoes together and combine all of the ingredients, and once this is finished your dish will be ready to serve. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.